snack on this while I'm on the live stream. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I'm a little late. Catch me up to speed here, guys. Give me what's going on with this GDP shit. We looked so good this morning. So the things that I'm seeing so far, uh, is you got your bank scap up, and I don't know how long that'll hold. That Pac West I was looking at last night, it hit 850. You know, I've been looking for a good move on this thing. You know, I think what was the actual numbers on the GDP and the jobless claims? Were they good? Were they bad? They were better than usual. What were they? My man Joseph here, who's visiting from where are you visiting from? Oh, you're from New York. You live in New York. Where in New York do you live? He uh he got me a sandwich here. He's been here for a week, and it's his last day. And the guy brought me a damn sandwich. That is more than most of motherfuckers in here do. Oh, thank you, bro. So we had good numbers. He's asking what type of sandwich. It's got turkey, mozzarella, and what else? Garlic mayo. Shit's good, bro. Shit is good. All right. So obviously, you guys, I had a wild day yesterday. P&L got back to like 1.2 at the highs of the day. I thought we were gonna open up. I thought we were gonna open up. Um, wow, Bruce. Okay, that's how you're gonna start the day. Lovely, lovely, Bruce. Lovely, Bruce. You just gotta give me a reason. You know what I mean? Um, but anyways, yeah. At one point in the day, it was like it was like 1.2. I ended up at around 1 point. I don't know, one and change, something like that. And yeah. I thought we were gonna open up real nice here this morning. I was looking at that AMD traded up to like 113. Chips are still holding though. I see what you're saying. Nvidia's up. You know, most of this stuff is up. CVNA, it did try to run. Oh wow! So it is gapping up though. Holy shit! It hit $30. I mean, I would have bought 25 of those, but let's see what happens. Again, I'm long everything. I'm still long everything. I still like the idea of being long everything, as long as this market doesn't die out. But I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see today how it plays out off the open here. No, no, I'm not talking 1.2 profit. I wish. All right. Somebody's saying Snap News. Oh, okay. All right. At least we still get $12 out of this. At least we still get $12 out of this. So I mean, I still have 750 of the Snap. I think. You know, Snap draws 4 million paid subscribers in first year. You see how that news conveniently came out today? You know what I mean? During this rally here. What was the news on AMC at the end of the day yesterday? Somebody tell me what the fuck that was. Was that like on? What was that? What was that? That's what I want to know. Somebody saying shop is heavy. Is it? What was the AMC news, guys? I mean, Spy here is now starting to go red, correct? So we're down a little. I mean, that's interesting. 437, 436 and a half, 437. I mean, that's the area that we're looking for. That's just the place, man. Well, who's gonna give me the damn AMC news? Let's go. What the fuck? Somebody give me the AMC news. Let's take a look where BTC is at. 30,600 here. 30,600. MSTR is trading 334. Wow, nobody's gonna give me the fucking AMC news, bro. Y'all are fucking useless. Damn, no love out here. AMC meme investors to face off in court over stock conversion. That ain't it. Something happened. Something happened yesterday. Let's go to Twitter, maybe. Let's see if we can find what it is. There's a court case. Yo, there's gotta be something, man. Look at the fucking stock. I see what happened yesterday. Shit was crazy. GameStop movie? What? Good morning to everyone. AMC from raising capital. Blah 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 blah. AMC format of case. Top analyst price target. Oh, Snapchat draws 4 million paid subscribers in first year. Wow, so the 4 million people still use that shit. I guess we're the minority here. They are launching a vodka infused whipped cream with Cardi B. What the fuck are you talking about? Look at this Charlie Gasper. Wow. No love for Charlie Gasper. Yeah, man, BTC is moving. BTC is moving. So a move over 31 could be pretty serious for this. Um, I'm really watching the Melly too for a possible long to like 1300. BlackBerry earnings drove AMC higher? Nah, man, can't be. It can't be. All right, well, whatever. Let's get to it. Let's see how we open up. Basically, open up flat here, down a little bit. I think what I'm going to do is probably hedge and sell some SPY calls off the open here. Um, and then just kind of see how things shake out here. I like the Melly long. I really like the Melly long now after the shakeout, but I don't want to. I don't want to just jump into this thing long because again, I got to buy stock, and that shit's the worst. Microsoft here doing nothing. Video, whatever. AMD's looking pretty good. Remember, I had all that Roblox here. Roblox looks terrible. It looks terrible. It really looks terrible. That's Snapchat here. The options haven't opened yet. Options haven't opened yet on my Snapchat. I'm still waiting for that. I'd like to see a dip on Melly here before I start buying it. But again, you really want to see how these numbers open up. I tell you, they're looking pretty weak here. They're looking just dead. But they're selling SPY. Hmm. Keep an eye on these banks. You might want to catch a rotation here. I mean, I want the long on Pac West. It's just shit. Let's see if they open up these snap options. Nope, still haven't opened up the snap options. I'll put them up over here so you guys can see them when they open up. Microsoft here, fade. Let's take a look at the big boys here, Apple and all this shit. Kind of doing nothing for the most part. AMD punked out a little bit. I mean, it's correlated to, well, is Overstock still correlated to BTC? The riot and the Mara look pretty damn good here. Oh, they look pretty damn good here. This MSTR could go to 350 easy. This is actually not a bad trade if you guys want to buy the stock here. This is not a bad trade. I wouldn't get the options though. JPM is up 2 points here. Maybe you get the rotation of banks today. We could play that. I mean, that's the only sector that I'm not long. Netflix here looks great. It looks fine. Snapchat, they still haven't opened the options, yo. Are y'all seeing anything different? What's going on here? What's going on here? I think what I'd like to do is sell some SPX calls. SPY coming back up. Let's see if we can go green. Overall, this looks like shit. Coin must be trading at 75 by this point. Uh-huh. Almost. GS up 6. CVNA. Where's CVNA? Ha! I mean, again, I only have 25 of those, so I don't really care. Roblox here, though. I'm getting smoked on. I'm getting smoked on the Roblox. Apple, yep. Apple looks fine. And with Apple looking like this and most names here with banks up, I can't see them selling us off. You might get these programs lower, but they'll buy them right back. They'll buy them right back. Shop here is down. I got plenty of shop long. Um, Yo, they still haven't opened the Snapchat calls, and look what just happened. Motherfuckers. Now they open them after the whole thing got punked out, man. Motherfuckers. Notice the stock opened up exactly where it was before, and you're getting the IV on the options, though. Let's see if I can get 150 out of this. They covered me. They covered me 100. No, no, they didn't. No, they didn't. I'm not even on the book. Yo, something's wrong here, man. Something's wrong. Something's wrong on this freaking on this Snapchat here. Pins here got to drop. I tried to put an order in, and they didn't even put me on the book. Let's try 120. You see? I'm not on the book. Something's wrong here on the Snapchat. I don't know what exactly, but that shit ain't right. That shit ain't right. Pins here selling. That Roblox here kind of coming back. Okay, I want to. The first thing I need to do is sell some fucking calls. Check out the Bank of America. Check out the Bank of America. You're gonna see this rotation in the banks here. Yo, J.P. Morgan is already up. What? $4. I think on dips on banks, you got an idea right there. Because you ain't gonna get the juice on the high flyers. You got to rotate the banks. You got to rotate the banks, guys. We got to rotate the banks. We got to rotate the banks. BTC is moving too, so all the BTC names are going to move. That's where you want to be. You want to be that. You want to be in that shit and some banks. I'm gonna sell some calls. You know what? Nah, let's focus on what we need to focus on, right? I mean, if we get a point drop on JPM, we want to go long. GS is up 8 points now. These are all programs here too. BAC never moves like this. You know, KRE 41 and a half. I bet this Pac West here 860. I don't know. I feel like I'm chasing kind of on the banks, so hence why I want to see if I can get a pullback, man. All right, so let's look at the 143 calls on the JPM. What's today? Today's Wednesday, right? Today's fucking Thursday. God damn it. Fucking Thursday. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, that stress test shit is fucking doesn't mean anything. Okay, nah. Let's take a look at this Snapchat. Snapchat's coming back, 1180 here. Snapchat is coming back, right? So but you notice the option is not doing shit. 437. Good thing I didn't short the calls here. 437 on SPY. Shop still looks like shit. You're gonna get this rotation here, man. If you notice, they're not going after the big shit, the Apple, the Meta. They're not going after that stuff. They're going after these banks. Did we get a dip on the JPM or no? 142s here. That's not a big enough dip. You know, I think I might just fucking do nothing. Because I already missed, what, 4 or 5 points on that JPM. That MU, damn! Take a look at this MU. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck happened here? Right, but it was up. So that's not a good enough answer there, Joseph. I need a better answer than that. We know it had earnings, but it faded the whole thing. So they liked it, and now they don't like it. Did that hit any of the other semis? No. SMCI is up. I don't know, man. I don't know. Natalia, estamos, the CM is looking way better now. So we said that over 437, if they hold it up here, we should start looking for a long. By the way, JPM fresh highs. Fuck. That was a decent tip buy. 4 million. They're talking about the news on Snapchat now. Snap here. Snap here almost back to. Snap here looks a lot better, yo. We're getting a buck 10 now for that option. But we got screwed on this, man. We got screwed on this option. You notice how they opened it up after they flushed the stock down from $12. That wasn't a coincidence. I mean, you can clearly see where the rotation is right now. It's not in Microsoft. It's not in any of that shit. What about oil? No. Let's take a look at that Melly. That Melly is dead. There's no reason to chase it. There's no reason to chase any of this shit. Where's that Carvana? All right, let's go back to the flow here. Let's see. Let's see what they're doing on this. Let's see if maybe we can find something over here. Mara, the BAC. Yeah, dude. Should we buy Pac West? Is anybody doing it? Are we doing it? What about the $29 calls on BAC? Nah, man. Fucking missed such a move already. $29 calls are 18 cents. There's about 7,000 contracts traded. I think I'm better off doing nothing here. I really think I'm better off doing nothing here. What do you think, Joseph? What do you think, ma'am? Um, SCHW. Oh, yeah. I mean, I would imagine the SCHW is looking. Man, this don't these names look so good for a fucking rally KRE and all this stuff? It's just nobody wants to buy them, man. Nobody wants them. Nobody wants them. I bet AMD goes red. Uh, Netflix. I'm not surprised. They're fading the fat man names, the big the big tech names, and they're moving to banks, which I don't know if they're able to hold it. Where's the soon? Yep, soon $5. It's a nice move. It's a nice move on the soon. All right, spy dump. I haven't made a move yet here, guys. I seriously haven't made a move yet. Nice dump spy. Notice Natalia, the fat man Reaper. But you can see it. You can see it if you just go to the individual names. Microsoft, Apple. Well, Apple maybe not so much. Meta here is at lows. Bank of America holding. JPM holding. GS holding. That AMC faded off. I like the refade on AMC. Somebody's talking about this PayPal. Was there news on this PayPal? This one's a tough thing to trade too, man. Did you? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. AMD almost red. AMD almost red. You know, if you look at the shop, you know, what do you really have here? What do we really got here? If I had bought, if I had chased that Melly, I'd be down right now. Let's take a look at BTC. BTC 30,006, still holding. If they start selling banks, you know, maybe we got a problem. This is a deeper JPM pullback that maybe we could look at. Maybe. The 142 calls really dropped out in premium here. I don't know. What do you want to do? Yo, they haven't come for Peloton in ages, man. So Jesus just called out some Peloton weeklies here getting bought. You want to take this? Take a look at this Peloton. That's what they're buying. That's what they're buying, guys. They haven't bought this fucking Peloton in ages, man. What if we get some $8 calls for this shit? 18 cents? I'll take that lotto ticket all day, bro. I'll take that lotto ticket all day. Fuck it, in case it works. All right, and then let's take a look at this Bank of America. You know, maybe we could dip by some of that JPM. Let's take a look. Let's watch this JPM a little bit. See if we can get a read on this tape. They're buying BK, CCL, puts on CCL. Not much flow here. Natalia, ¿qué tú crees? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Um, all right, here's your dip on Peloton. There you go buy some of this shit. Manish keeps talking about this fucking Joby. Do we care about this? Damn. Joby Aviation. Flying car company. This is a flying car company? Let's short the fuck out of this, man. We ain't ready for no flying cars. Ain't nobody ready for that shit. Joby Aviation. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Electric aerial ride sharing. Designed for daily life. It's got the VTL, vertical takeoff and landing. One pilot, four riders. Quiet as a conversation. 200 miles an hour top speed. Damn. I mean, this shit looks badass, man. With more than 1,000 test flights completed over the last 10 years. This shit looks badass. Somebody's got to sink a lot of money into this shit to get it to work, though. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna. Well, I bought 100 of that Peloton. Whatever happens, I really don't give a shit. The Pinterest is fading. Um, let's take a look at. This is shit action so far. This is very shitty action here so far. All right, what's going on with some of these? I bought more of the Peloton because fuck it, I'm bored. JPM here starting to slide. Bank of America starting to slide. Natalia, tú tienes razón. Shit's all over the place here. Es mejor para vender ambos lados. Jason is saying, look at the Joby warrants. What do they have a? How do you look at the warrants? Um, Yo, they were buying some of the materials names, so I haven't even looked at these. Yeah, man. Okay, so they're going after these materials here too. So X, FCX. Well, maybe not FCX. So maybe it's just steel. All right, somebody's talking about that SoFi, BYND. Whoa, okay. BYND. Check the Peloton out, guys. What do you want to do? You want to buy 1,000 of these? I mean, I got 200. Fuck it. Just buy another 300. I got 500 of the Peloton. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's see if it blows through $8 on the Peloton. These banks faded. These banks faded. Solar's on the move. Um, Maybe on EMPH, but I wouldn't even buy that shit, man. I wouldn't even buy that shit. Yo, you guys keep fucking talking about this Joby, man. Are y'all all investors? Have you taken a flight on this motherfucker? I'll tell you right now, I want to take a flight on this thing. I want to take a flight on this thing right now. So downtown heliport. Oh, this shit is right where I used to live, South Street Seaport. So you can take it to JFK. Time in a car 49 minutes. Time in the Joby 7 minutes. It's a motherfucking game changer right there, bro. That's a fucking game changer, bro. CVNA, whatever. MU. This was your mover today, bro. I don't know what. Somebody got out of a lot of stock in this MU. Yo, but that's honestly the dog of the sector, is it not? Micron? Out of the semis? GS held. Whoa. Oh, that's weird. All right. You guys got a choice. Do you dip by the banks right here? Americans say, Lucci, are they going to mark it up for a quarter tomorrow or leave it low so they can add for a July run? Oh, shit. It's quarter end tomorrow, huh? God damn. God damn. You right. You right. You right. Check out this Peloton failed. If it can't push back the highs soon here, I'll get the fuck out. I really don't even care about this thing. Snapchat here is doing whatever. All right. I think now it's time to start writing some options. I'm waiting for Ben to get back up into the mix over here. 5 minutes? You got an alarm? Is that what you're doing? Are you looking at stocks right now? So you're on Instagram right now? Wow. What a herb. What a herb. Wow. Um, check out this FedEx. Holy shit! Look at the run on this FedEx for the last couple of days. Wow. Wow. AMD looks like dog shit. Tesla here faded a good amount of the gap, or a good amount of the move up. Nathaniel, this looks terrible. This really looks terrible. So there's a TT2? I mean, we know what that level is. We know what that level is. We've been watching and waiting for that level for a while now. Check out this Peloton. Looks like crap now. Bank of America, whatever. Snap here starting to come back in here too. Apple's at highs? No way. Pero por lo menos están trabajando en el elevador. UPST is up 2 fucking points? It's back the whole V-shaped recovery here on the UPST. I think people are going to get smoked on that thing. There's a lot of short stuck on that. Ben, what's the short interest on that UPST? Still? Yo, when you get back to your desk, take a look at that ENPH. Yeah, no, it's definitely coming in. Is it raining? Um, SoFi here. They're still buying Sophie here. Joby, somebody bought some 7.5 puts here, but out to October. Can you short Joby without getting a locate? Let's short the fuck out of this thing, man. Fuck this thing, bro. Fucking Joby, man. You know that shit ain't ready. You got one ride. Joby's already shortable. Already shortable. Let's keep Joby on the radar here so we can short the fuck out of it. Peloton looks dead. Snap here, they're selling it off. Joby, yeah, Joby is shortable. 35% short float on the UPST. Where's that CVNA? Back down to lows. Pinterest is working on a nice fade here on the Pinterest. Where's BTC? BTC 30,400. So another shakeout on the BTC. Another bullshit move on the BTC. PLTR fade. Bro, honestly, I don't know about you guys, but this looks like fucking shit. This looks like fucking straight ass crack here. And I don't want to trade not a damn nothing. GS though, highs. GS though, highs.
AJ, how's that market breadth look?
Yeah, man. Madden football, I agree, man. I totally agree, guys, that this session already looks like straight ass crack. That Peloton is going to give it another shot here. 790s here. Let's see if this thing can move. I got 500 of this. You guys want to buy some more? Or do you want me to buy some more? What do you want to do? EOSE. They were buying that yesterday. What the fuck is this thing? EOS Energy? All right. This is what I am going to do. I'm going to buy a little bit of Bank of America just to have it. All right. Just to have it. The $29 calls are going for 14 cents now, which is considerably cheaper. Right. So let's buy some of that. All right. Let's buy 250 of those. So we bought some Bank of America just so we're in it. Just so we're in it. Do I think it's going to do anything? No. What's up, kid? Está lloviendo. Un poco.
Which wedge?
Which wedge? I'm sorry. So you're wearing wedges now, Chris?
I have a front wedge.
Wow. What a herb. Peloton. What are we doing here, guys? Are we in this? Are y'all in this with me? Do we want to buy more? I mean, it's kind of confirming what we wanted, right? Fuck it. What if I'm gonna be the only one
Are you
doing
still
this?
bullish on the banks?
Yeah,
BAC?
yeah. I bought some. I bought some BAC just to have it. I don't. I don't love it. All right, $8. Let's see if they clear out of the Peloton $8 here. There's not that much size here. It's like 20,000 shares. Matt, what do you think of that MU, man? That shit's wild. Uh huh. GS up 11 points now. Holy shit balls.
AJ, I gave coin a try at VWAP versus high day and got smoked out. 116.
Well, yeah, BTC couldn't
Yeah.
hold.
Well, 116%.
Wow, so all of us are in Peloton? Listen, if it's time to go, y'all better not be taking my motherfucking bids over here, all right? All right, because I'm going to hit this bid before y'all asses do. Nvidia looks like shit. Apple looks like shit. Google looks horrible. Amazon looks terrible. Terrible. Snapchat here coming back up. I haven't done anything on the SPX side because I don't even know where I don't know where the fuck we're going. I don't know. I got nothing. BTC back up 30,600. Somebody's buying some meta calls here for tomorrow, 285s. Let's take a look at some flow here. Maybe we can find something good. Mara here. Ulta. Yo, I haven't looked at Ulta since it had that big sell off, man.
AJ, thoughts on Apple?
Dip buy on makeup. Dip buy on the makeup. That shit worked for 70 points.
We're down here
Jesus.
at VWAP.
Buen dia. Check out that DKNG. DraftKings is working. DraftKings is working. ASO, Jesus is talking about. Peloton here can't do much. ASO looks interesting. If we go back to Tesla here, market's looking better. Market's looking better. Let's look at your Schwab here, Bruce. Are you in it? Uh, you know, I don't know, man. Snapchat here couldn't really do it. Um, Meta here is flat. Joby. Oh, we should have shorted that shit. Bank of America looks like shit. Let's pull back on that Peloton. Peloton couldn't do it for the second time. You're gonna want to be careful on this one. I buried 400 of the Peloton. I buried half. There's your dump on SPY. You know, BAC, whatever. Guys, this looks terrible. I'm sorry to tell you. This looks terrible. That Home Depot was interesting, man. Broke out and then faded all the way back. You know, I think now I like the short calls on. Woo! Nice program down, 10 handles. Fat program down here, 10 handles. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Nvidia here is down now, 409. They had a lot of people long this thing. They got a lot of people long this thing. BAC held through that whole move. Yo, that Roblox looks so bad. Oh shit, my P&L just fucking washed out. Oh, because of the AMD, the SPY. I think everything here had a program down. Yeah, all tech had a program down here. But again, does it mean we got to get out of our long swing? No. It could mean we could. It could mean we just have to short some shit. 4,400 calls are actually $2 here. Why? Wow. Wow. That's interesting. 20 handles out on the put side is much cheaper. Much cheaper. So they're pricing the calls on SPX significantly higher. No, it's equal. It's equal. It is equal. 20 handles out is equal here. So maybe sell both sides. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not confident here because you know Natalia Vite, right? Right? Had we have taken it, it's shit. Fat Man here is weak. Peloton faded that out. Surprising the tape on the banks. If you look at the tape on the banks during this pullback, they're going higher.
I just added a BAC.
You added. Interesting. Interesting. Shop is down a point. So that does not look too hot. That don't look too hot at all. Guys, I literally got fucking nothing. I'm going to, no, you know what? Since I have even less of a fucking opinion on this stuff, let's go to 44.10, right? And we'll sell fucking 25 and, but why? Let's see if there's any put buying here at all on these high flyers. Apple here, somebody's buying some tomorrow, 187.5 puts. The Melly here. Good thing I didn't fucking buy that shit. FCNCA ripped yesterday. Look at this FCNCA today. Ah, I would have gotten smoked. Snap here back down to low, well, close to lows. Peloton looks like shit. Bro, this book of mine, I mean, it looked good this morning. XOM and oil. I mean, it's banks and oil right now. It's banks and oil. AMD's taking a dive. Yeah, take a look at AMD. But again, AMD is what? Flat? It's fucking flat right now. So, you know. Now, the MU doesn't bode well for these semis here. I don't know if it's trying to tell us something. Because NVIDIA, to me, looks kind of like a short, man, overall. And that shop does not look hot. Shop doesn't look hot. Yeah, BAC looks like trash here. Google here faded out. A lot of the move from yesterday. Right, if we take a look at BTC here, it's trading 30,500. Dead. Dead. Um, I think Jesus just called out some Google calls. What about those cruise liners, man? Have they pulled back? Maybe we can fade some of this shit. CCL, RCL. Come on, we're talking about cruise liners here. How good can these be trading? That Peloton is shit. I still have 350 of those. Down 4 grand on those. Um, so that didn't work out on the Peloton. Guys, I got nothing. I got nothing, and I really don't even think you should be pushing the fucking buttons right now. Cause why? You know what I'm saying? For what? For what? This looks fucking horrible. I'm actually down a good amount on some of these long swings. And now I got to consider. Clearly, they're selling some of this fat man stuff. The question is should we add to long swings on the fat man shit? You know, cat. Yeah, man. Clear rotation out of fat man stuff. And again, you got to look at the fact that we're at the end of the month here. Do we have a small dog in this office? IWM looks way stronger than all these other indexes. Take a look at IWM. Wow, I didn't even realize it. Yeah, man. That's where your money is. Fucking IWM, yo. That's where your money is. That is where your money is. That Peloton was a complete bust. Snapchat here looks like it's just gonna die. Right? The pins here got fucking smoked. Guys, fuck this. Fuck this. Alright, I'm gonna sell both sides and call it a fucking day. You guys already know. Somebody bought some AMD $55 puts for November. Small size though. All right, I sold some calls. I'm probably going to sell some puts here as well. Paul here is saying mention TNA at 34 and a half, but you missed it. Um, I mean, I didn't miss anything, bro. Nobody misses anything. You just didn't see it, but we didn't miss it. Month end rebalancing, yeah, man, yeah, man. I hear that month end rebalancing. That makes the most sense out of all the theories I've heard. I mean, if you look at AMD, it's fucking doing nothing. Melly down 12. That FCNCA, thank God I didn't short this thing. Yo, but I'm literally done here. I don't even, I'm done. All right, so listen, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go to a friend's place, maybe hit the beach. Shit, do some other shit here. Again, um, before I go, a couple things I want to throw out there. ¿Quién vive aquí en Puerto Rico? ¿Quién está aquí de Puerto Rico? Necesito tu ayuda. Necesito tu ayuda. Okay, so TradeSpace has a nonprofit arm called Oye, okay? And Oye stands for Own Yourself Every Day. And this is where we do, and actually, I'll show you the website here. This is where we do free business education for small businesses in either in idea iteration or already in business. And we're having a we're having a we're having a party basically to showcase some of the businesses that are here that we've done mentorship for. Let me make sure this fucking website is working. Cause there it is. Wow, that took a long time. Okay, so mira, si tú vives aquí en Puerto Rico, por favor, share the link that I just dropped in the website. So again, this is basically free financial literacy and small business education. We have a 12-week course, and then we do mentorship after. So the party that we're going to throw here at the office, we're going to showcase 9 of the businesses that we've helped on the first class, and of course it's a fundraiser here, so we can get our second class, third class up and running, and then we can help a lot more kids out here on the island. Um, in Puerto Rico here, a lot of the young folks it's tougher to get jobs here, good paying jobs. So a lot of them have to go towards business, And these are some of the things that are going on the island. If you can't join, and by the way, you can see the class here, and you can scroll. You're going to be able to scroll around and see all the businesses. Everybody gets free desk space too at Trade Space. So if you can't make it, again, think about us for a donation as well. Um, so we can get some more exposure and help some more kids out on the island. I'm gonna drop the link on YouTube as well. If you notice, Spy retraced the whole move. Spy retraced the whole fucking move, right? Because who gives a shit, all right? So again, si tú vives aquí en Puerto Rico, por favor, come to the event. Event's gonna be super cool. We got a DJ, food, drinks, of course. Um, and if you can, share it on social media, and you know, hopefully we see you there. All right. Take care, everybody. Fuck this day. There's other things I want to do.